Here are the only 5 financial accounts that you will ever need for the rest of your life. And you might want to save this video because this advice is as true today as it will be in 30 years. Number 1 is a checking account. And this account should only be used to keep money to pay your monthly bills. Any other money in this account is wasted because in a checkings account, your money does not work for you and earns almost 0% interest. Number 2 is a high yield savings account. This is where you're going to want to keep any money that you want to use in the next 1 to 5 years, including your emergency fund. This is because in a high yield savings account, your money goes to work for you. The account is also FDIC insured up to $250,000. Number 3 is a Roth IRA. This is like the gold standard of accounts. Go to Schwab or Vanguard, open up an account today, and put $50 a month into that account. Invest that in low-cost index funds like Vanguard's VOO, and you're all set. Remember, you can take your contributions back at any time for any reason. And after 59.5, all of that money is yours, including the gains, tax-free. Number 4 is a 401k. If you have access to a 401k through your employer, you should be contributing something to that account. Automatically deduct it from your paycheck and make sure you know if your company has matching payments. Because if you're not taking advantage of contributing to a 401k and letting your current employer match some of those payments up to a certain percentage, you are literally throwing money away. Don't do that. Number 5 is a health savings account. I know, this is like the least sexy account ever, yet it's the most sexy account ever. Nobody wants to admit they're mortal, but you are. When you get sick, you're going to love having an account where the money you put in is tax deductible. You can invest that money to grow over the years. The money rolls over from one year to the next, and the money even comes out of the account tax-free so long as it's spent on qualifying health purchases. There is no account like the HSA. And finally, number 6 is a taxable brokerage account. This is like the cherry on top that should just make you feel like a badass. This is a space where you can invest and grow your money for plans that you have 5 to 10 years from now. Again, put $50 a month into a low-cost index fund, sit back and let it grow, and when you take that money out, the taxes that you're going to pay on those capital gains are still most likely going to be less than the taxes you pay on ordinary income. So today, I just want you to open one of those accounts, or at the very least, read up on one of those accounts. Commit to having all 6 of those accounts be part of your long-term financial plan. And if any of this is helpful, like and follow, and I will keep going for walks in the pouring rain just to help you get to where you need to be.